In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Miro board as a PDF. This is a useful way to share your work with others who might not have access to the Miro app, or if you simply wish to archive your board in a more standard format. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up the Miro dashboard. Here, you'll see all your boards neatly displayed, especially if you're a part of a marketing team or any other collaborative group. Once you're in the dashboard, locate and click on the board you want to download as a PDF. This will open the board in full view, allowing you to see all the details you've worked hard to include. Now, with your board open on the screen, direct your attention to the menu options typically found at the upper right corner of your screen. There, you should find an option labeled Export this board. Clicking on this will lead you to a drop-down menu with a few different choices. The key here is to find Save as PDF, so go ahead and select that option. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the file size for your PDF. This is a crucial step because the size you choose can affect both the quality and the portability of your PDF. Larger sizes will retain more detail, which is excellent for complex boards, but might be harder to share due to file size limitations, while smaller sizes are more manageable for email attachments or if someone needs to print it out quickly. Consider your needs and make your selection. Once you've decided on a file size, it's time to initiate the export. Simply click on the Export button. Miro will then take a moment to process your request, compiling all the information on your board into a neat, accessible PDF file. This step can vary in duration depending on the size and complexity of your board, so a little patience might be required. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Miro board as a PDF. This PDF is now a versatile document that you can easily share with teammates, clients, or anyone who needs to see your board without requiring access to Miro. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Downloading your Miro board as a PDF is a simple yet powerful way to share your insights and ensure your hard work is visible across platforms. I hope you find this guide helpful for your next project, and feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Happy sharing!